Hello, welcome to Juris Central online classes for law exams. So today I will be dealing with you solve question paper of the question asked for CLAT LLM entrance test in the year 2016. Before starting the session, I would request all of you to kindly like, share and subscribe the channel to never miss such updates from juriscentral.com. So let us start with our first question. So this section is constitutional law and it has a total number of 50 questions. Question number 1, the total number of members in the Legislative Council of a state having such a council shall not exceed. So the correct option is option number 4, 1/3 of the total number of members in the Legislative Assembly of that state. Question number 2, right to enforce which articles of the Constitution cannot be suspended during emergency. So the correct option is option number 20 and 21. Articles 20 and 21. Article 20 deals with protection in respect of conviction for certain offences, also known as double jeopardy, and 21 deals with right to life. Question number 3. Which article of the Constitution provides that subject to the provisions of any law made by Parliament or any rules made under Article 145, the Supreme Court shall have the power to review any judgment pronounced or order made by it? So the correct option is option number 3, Article 137, which deals with the review of judgments or orders by the Supreme Court. 134 deals with appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court in regard to criminal matters. 142 deals with enforcement of decrees and orders of Supreme Court and unless as to discovery, etc. And Article 135 deals with jurisdiction and powers of the Federal Court under existing law to be exercisable by the Supreme Court. Question number 4. Which article of the Constitution says that law declared by the Supreme Court shall be binding on all courts within the territory of India? So the correct option is option number 2, Article 141. Article 140 deals with ancillary powers of the Supreme Court. Article 146 deals with officers and servants and the expenses of the Supreme Court. Question number 5. The concept of curative petition was applied by the Supreme Court in the case of. So the correct option is option number 3. Rupa Ashok Hurra versus Ashok Hurra. P.A. Inamdar versus State of Maharashtra. In this case, the Supreme Court of India held that the minority and the non-minority unaided private educational institution doesn't come under the reservation policy of the state. Om Prakash versus Union of India. This case is related to applicability of the principle of proportionality with respect to Article 14 of the Constitution of India. Question number 6. All doubts and dispute arising out of or in connection with the election of the president shall be inquired into and decided by the. So the correct option is option number 1, Supreme Court. Question number 7. Under which article of the Constitution a commission to investigate the conditions of backward classes can be appointed by the President of India? So the correct option is option number 1, Article 340. Article 341 deals with scheduled castes, 342 deals with scheduled tribes, and Article 16 clause 4 deals with reservation in employment. Question number 8. Which of the following statement is correct? So the correct option is option number 2. Only those laws which have been put into the 9th schedule after 24th of April 1973 can be challenged on the ground of basic structure. Question number 9. Which is the correct language of Article 20 clause 2 of the Constitution? So the correct option is option number 2. No person shall be prosecuted and punished for the same offence more than once. Question number 10. In which case the Supreme Court held that the mental privacy is a part of Article 21 of the Constitution? So the correct option is option number 3, Selvi versus State of Karnataka. Question number 11. The conclusive part of Article 31C, that is a no law containing a declaration that is for giving effect to such policy shall be called in question in any court on the ground that it does not give effect to such policy, was struck down by the Supreme Court in the case of. So it was struck down by the Supreme Court in the case of Keshwananda Bharti versus State of Kerala. Question number 12. In which case Article 323A clause D subclause A clause 2 subclause D and Article 323B clause 3 subclause D were declared unconstitutional to the extent they exclude the jurisdiction of the High Courts and the Supreme Court under Articles 226 or 227 and 32 of the Constitution of India. So the correct option is option number 1, L. Chandra Kumar versus Union of India. In Ayurkoilo versus the State of Tamil Nadu, it was held. It is actually decided by a 9-member bench of the Supreme Court and which held that 9 scheduled items are not immune to judicial review as it is part of the Constitution. 13. Financial emergency under Article 360 of the Constitution, once imposed after the approval by both the Houses of Parliament within the period of 2 months, shall remain valid for the period of option number 2 till it is revoked by the Parliament. Question number 14. The Constitution 100th Amendment Act 2015 gave effect to the exchange of, so it gave effect to the exchange of 51 Bangladeshi and 111 Indian enclaves. Question number 15. Which case is popularly known as cash for question case? So the correct option is option number 4, Raja Rampal versus Honorable Speaker of Lok Sabha. In the Keshav Singh case is an interesting case and is a very famous case related to parliamentary privileges. In this, the apex court upheld the verdict of the High Court and held that the judge who entertains a petition challenging any order of the legislature imposing any penalty on the petitioner for its contempt doesn't commit contempt of the said legislature, and the legislature is not competent to initiate proceedings against that judge. Question number 16. If any question arises as to whether a member of either House of Parliament has become subject to any of the disqualifications mentioned in Clause 1 of Article 102 of the Constitution, the question shall be referred for the deletion of the dash and its deletion shall be final. So the correct option is option number 4, President. Question number 17. Which article of the Constitution puts obligation on the state to promote with special care the educational and economic interest of the weaker sections of the people, and in particular of the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes? So the correct option is option number 1, Article 46. Article 43 deals with leaving age etc. for workers. Article 45 deals with provisions for free and compulsory education for children. Question number 18. The President of India may be removed from the office by impeachment on the ground of, so he can be removed from the office on the ground of violation of the Constitution. Option number 3. Question number 19. An ordinance promulgated by the President under Article 123 of the Constitution shall cease to operate at the expiration of dash from the reassembly of Parliament or before the expiration of that period. Resolutions disapproving it are passed by both the Houses of Parliament, and in such case upon the passing of the second of those resolutions and may be withdrawn at any time by the President. So the correct option is 6 weeks shall cease to operate at the expiration of 6 weeks. 20. By which amendment to the Constitution Article 16 Clause 4B was added? So the correct option is option number 3, the Constitution 81st Amendment Act 2000. So it is, by this amendment, a backlog of vacancies for a separate class of vacancies was created, and it was also said that it doesn't include reservation mark up to 50%. The Constitution 81st Amendment Act, by this amendment, Article 16 Clause 4A was inserted. 19th Amendment Act 2003, by this amendment, Article 332 was amended. And it provides for reservation of seats for the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes in the legislative assemblies of the state. And it is Second Amendment Act 2000. It deals with the amendment. By this amendment, it actually restored the relaxation of qualifying marks and standards of evaluation in matters of reservation and promotion. 21. Which schedule of the Constitution of India deals with the provision as to disqualification on grounds of defection? So the correct option is option number 1, 10th schedule. 8th schedule deals with official languages. 7th schedule deals with allocation of powers and functions between union and state. And 9th schedule, it's actually dealing with the law which is immune from judicial review. 20. Article 21 was inserted in the Indian Constitution by, so it was inserted by the Indian Constitution by the 86th Amendment Act 2002, option number 4. The doctrine of occupied field was applied to the Supreme Court in the case of, so this question is actually related to administrative law, and the correct option is option number 2, A.B. Krishna versus State of Karnataka. Union of India versus Tulsiram Patel. This case involves principle of natural justice. I.R. Coelho versus Union of India. It is also known as 9th schedule case, and it actually upheld the authority of the judiciary to review any law which destroys or damages the basic structure as indicated in fundamental rights. 24. In which article of the Constitution the contingency fund of the India is defined? So the correct option is option number 1, Article 267. 266 deals with consolidated funds and public accounts of India and of the states. So 267 deals with contingency fund and 266 deals with consolidated funds. 269 deals with taxes levied and collected by the union but assigned to the states, and Article 260 deals with duties levied by the union but collected and appropriated by the states. Question number 25. In case of a deadlock over an ordinary bill between two houses in a state legislation, the bill is deemed to have been passed. So it has been passed after the bill has been passed for the second time by the Legislative Assembly, and more than 1 month elapses from the date on which the bill is laid for the second time before the Legislative Council without the bill being passed by it. Question number 26. Election to fill a vacancy in the office of President occurring by reason of his death, resignation or removal or otherwise shall be held as soon as possible after in no case later than option number 2, 6 months from the date of occurrence of the vacancy. 27. Who in respect of every financial year caused to be laid before the Houses of Parliament a statement of the estimated receipts and expenditure of the Government of India for that year, which is known as annual financial statement, and this is also known as budget. So the correct option is option number 3, President. To lay before the House a statement of the estimated receipt and expenditure of the government for that year, which is known as annual financial statement. I mean, according to me, the answer should be option number 1, Speaker of the House, because President has nothing to do with that. So the correct option would be option number 1, not 3, Speaker of the House. 28. By which amendment the ground of armed rebellion by imposing national emergency was substituted for the ground internal disturbance? So the correct option is option number 4, the Constitution 44th Amendment Act 1978. 29. Article 30 of the Constitution gives the right to establish and administer educational institutions of their choice to all minorities, whether based on, so the correct option is option number 3, religion or language. 30. Which of the following judgment of the Supreme Court is related to rights of third gender? So the correct option is option number 4, National Legal Services Authority versus Union of India. In which case the Supreme Court declared clauses 4 and 5 of Article 368 of the Constitution as unconstitutional. So the correct option is option number 1, Minerva Wills versus Union of India. 32. In which case the Supreme Court of India held that right to life doesn't include right to die. So the correct option is option number 1, Gyan Kaur versus State of Punjab. 33. Article 355 of the Constitution. It shall be the duty of the Union to protect every state against. So it shall be duty of the Union to protect every state against external aggression and internal disturbance. 34. In the Constitution of India, the disqualification for appointment or remunerative political post is provided under Article 361B. 361A deals with protection of publication of proceedings of Parliament and state legislatures. 361 deals with protection of President and Governors of Raj Pramukhs, and Article 362 deals with rights and privileges of rulers of Indian states. 35. Article 29 Clause 2 of the Constitution provides that no citizen shall be denied admission into any educational institution maintained by the state or receiving aid out of state funds on grounds only of option number 2, religion, race, caste, language, or any of them. 36. The joint sitting of both the Houses of Parliament in certain cases can be called by the President under Article 108. 107 deals with provisions as to introduction and passing of bills. 110 deals with definition of money bills, and 109 deals with special procedure in respect of money bills. 37. For the election of the President, the Electoral College shall consist of, so it shall consist of elected members of both the Houses of Parliament and elected members of the Legislative Assemblies of the state, including National Capital Territory of Delhi and Union Territory of Pondicherry, option number 4. 38. In which case the Supreme Court ruled that the defense of sovereign immunity is alien to the concept of guarantee of fundamental rights. So the correct option is option number 3, Neelavati Behera versus State of Orissa. 39. In which case the Supreme Court observed that there is no fundamental right to strike. So the correct option is option number 3, T.K. Rangarajan versus State of Tamil Nadu. 40. In which case the administration had approached the High Court seeking order for termination of pregnancy of an orphan woman suffering from mild mental retardation and found pregnant, allegedly on having raped. So the correct option is option number 3, Suchita Srivastava versus Chandigarh administration. 41. The operative part of Article 310 clause 1 of the Constitution is, so the operative part is except as expressly provided by this Constitution. 42. Under which articles of the Constitution the rights given therein are available only to the citizens of India? So the correct option is Article 15, 16, 19 and 29. So these are available only to the citizens of India. Oh, yes. 43. Under which article of the Constitution puts a duty on every citizen of India to renounce practices derogatory to the dignity of the woman? So the correct option is option number 3, Article 51A, Clause E. 44. In which case the Supreme Court upheld the case of Aadhaar card for certain government schemes? The correct option is option number 1, case Puttaswamy versus Union of India. 45. Under which article of the Constitution the Prime Minister is duty bound to furnish information to the President regarding all decisions of Council of Ministers relating to the administration of the affairs of the Union and proposals for legislation as the President may call for? So the correct option is option number 2, Article 78. Article 76 deals with Attorney General for India. Article 79 deals with Constitution of Parliament, and Article 77 deals with conduct of business of the Government of India. 46. President can appoint distinguished jurist as a judge. So he can appoint only of the Supreme Court. 47. Which of the following statement is correct? So the correct statement is some provisions of the Constitution came into force on 26th of November 1949 and the remaining provisions came into force on 26th of January 1950. 48. By which amendment of the Constitution Article 13 Clause 4 was added? So the correct option is option number 2, the Constitution 24th Amendment Act 1971. By 25th Amendment Act 1971, the Parliament curtailed the right to property and permitted the acquisition of private property by the government for public use on the payment of compensation. The Constitution 93rd Amendment Act 1969, by this amendment, it discontinued reservation of seats for the scheduled tribes in Nagaland both in the Lok Sabha and the State Assembly, and stipulated that not more than one Anglo-Indian could be nominated by the governor to any state legislative assembly. 49. The total number of ministers including the Prime Minister in the Council of Ministers shall not exceed 15% of the total number of members of House of the People. 50. In which case the Supreme Court upheld the Haryana Panchayati Raj Act prescribing minimum educational qualifications for contesting elections of panchayats? So the correct option is option number 3, Rajbala versus State of Haryana. So the next 50 questions we will be dealing with questions relating to jurisprudence. The Indian Penal Code is, so it is actually a creative code, option number 4. Second, who defined administration of justice as a maintenance of right within a political community by means of the physical force of state? So the correct option is option number 4, Samant. 3. The movement of progressive societies has hitherto been a movement from status to contract. This was stated by option number 4, Maine. 4. The absolutist theories of sovereignty were given by, so it was given by Bodin, Hobbes and Austin. 5th, while differentiating between judicial and legislative creativity, it was stated that the creative power of the courts is limited by existing legal material at their command. They find the material and shape it. The legislature may manufacture entirely new material. Who made this statement? So this statement has been made by option number 2, Allen. 6. Find out the odd man out among the following. So the correct option is option number 1, Comte. 7. The jurisprudence then in the present hypothesis is a lawyer's extraversion was observed by option number 1, Julius Stone. Question number 8. Which of the following is said to be 9 points in law? The correct option is option number 3, possession. 9th, who said that certainty of law is a legal myth? The correct option is option number 3, Jerome Frank. 10. A right is actually a legal claim. 11th, according to the purpose theory of personality, person is applicable only to human beings. 12. Rights in re propria mean right in one's own things. 13. The physical control of an object is, so the physical control of an object is possession naturals. 14. Which of the following was the famous work of Jeremy Bentham? So the correct option is his famous book is known as Limits of Jurisprudence Defined, option number 1. 15. According to historical school, the most important source of law is, so the most important source of law is custom. 16. Who stated common law is essentially judgment law? So this has been said by Samant. 17. One of the important aspects of sociological school is to study. So it is to study effect of law in society, option number 2. 18. Which theory of law is known as Vienna School of Legal Thought? The correct option is option number 1. Pure theory of law is also known as Vienna School of Legal Thought. Question number 19. Which of the following is not a characteristic of sovereignty as per Austin's analysis? So the correct option is option number 4, divinity. 20. Who said that the task of law is social engineering? The term social engineering is associated with the philosopher known as Roscoe Pound. So the correct option is option number 2, Roscoe Pound. 21. Ignorantia facit excusat means, so it means ignorance of fact is excused. 22. Who was the author of Province of Jurisprudence Determined? So the correct option is option number 3, Austin. 23. In pure theory of law, a legal norm derives its validity from, so it derives its validity from higher legal norm. 24. Who said that the essence of legal right seems to be not legally guaranteed power to realize an interest? So the correct option is option number 2, Allen. 25th. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. So dash justice prescribes equality. There has to be equal distribution among equals, unequal distribution among unequals. Dash justice 6 restore equality when this has shaken on the assumption that the situation that has been upset was distributively first. So the correct option is option number 1, distributive justice prescribes equality, and corrective justice seeks to restore equality when this has been shaken. Question number 26. In India, which of the following cannot logically be said to be the manifestation of Volkist? So the correct option is option number 3, untouchability. 27. Who stated that I recognize without hesitation that judges must and do legislate, but they do so only interstitially. They are confined from molar to molecular motion. So this scientific, theory has been given by option number 1, Justice Holmes. 28. According to Kelson, so according to him, law is a normative science. 29. 4 elements of state are, so the 4 elements of state are population, territory, government and sovereignty. We all have studied this during our college days, so we all very well know about it. 30. Savigny, Sarmat and Dicey were the main supporters of which theory of personality? So the correct option is option number 4, fiction theory. 31. According to Hoffman, what is the jural opposite of power? So the jural opposite of power is disability, option number 3. 32. Who is the author of the famous work Law in the Making? So the correct option is option number 1, C.K. Allen. 33. According to Hoffman, if X has a power, Y has a liability. A liability in Y means the absence of immunity in him. Therefore, power and liability are jural correlatives. 34. Sarman distinguished between corporeal possession and incorporeal possession. According to him, corporeal possession refers to possession of physical objects. 35. Who defined law as a social institution to satisfy social want? So this has been this definition of law has been given by Roscoe Pound, option number 3. 36. Who said that jurisprudence was the first of the social sciences to be born? So this has been said by option number 3, Wurzel. 37. Who summarized Austin's thesis by stating that this at first sight looks like circular reasoning? Law is law since it is made by the sovereign. The sovereign is sovereign because he makes the law. So the correct option is option number 2, Buckland. 38. Who used the social solidarity as a criterion of the validity of law? So this social solidarity term has been associated with Dugwit, option number 1. 39. X was allowed to put her goods in certain rooms in Y's house. X set them by agent who locked them in the rooms allotted for the purpose in Y's house by Y and took away the key. So in this case, because the key was with X, so X was in possession of the rooms, option number 1. 40. According to analytical school, pre-existence of which of the following is necessary for the growth of positive law? So the correct option is option number 2, state. State is required is actually necessary for the growth of positive law. 41. Which school regards the judgment law as an unauthorized encroachment upon the powers to legislators to make law? So the correct option is option number 4, analytical school. This is a belief of analytical school. 42. What is the correlative of immunity according to Hofield? So correlative of immunity is disability. 43. American realist movement is a combination of the analytical positivist and sociological approaches. 44. Right to one's reputation is a right in rem, option number 1. 45. Cicero defined law as the highest reason implanted in nature. 46. Who is a propounder of bracket theory of personality? So the main propounder of this theory is Ehring. 47. That life of law has not been logic, it has been experience, was observed by. So this has been observed by Holmes. 48. Who is the author of the famous book The Concept of Law? So the author is Hart. 49. Who is called the father of English jurisprudence? So John Austin is known as the father of English jurisprudence. 50. The reaction against which law theories provided a rich bed in which the seeds of historical scholarship took root and spread. So this is the theory given by or known as natural law theories. So the last 50 questions in this section, the last 50 questions are from the subjects of contracts, torts, criminal law, international law, IPR, etc. So let us see what is the first question. A signs his own name to a bill of exchange, intending that it may be believed that the bill was drawn by another person of the same name. A commits. So A actually commits forgery. Question number 2. Article 51 of the UN Charter says which of the following rights as being inherent. So the correct option is option number 3, right of self-defense. Question number 3. A being executed to the will of a deceased person dishonestly disobeys the law which directs him to divide the assets according to the will and appropriates the assets to his own use. So A commits. So A commits the offence of option number 1, criminal breach of trust. 4th. Under the Patents Act 1978, patent is granted for, so patent is granted for invention. Question number 5. A gives authority to B to sell A's land and to pay himself out of the proceeds. The debts due to him from A. So A cannot revoke his authority. 6. A voluntarily throws into a river a ring belonging to Z with the intention of thereby causing wrongful loss to Z. A has committed the offence of mischief. 7. The judges of International Court of Justice are elected for 9 years and the court shall elect its president or vice president for a term of, so they are elected for a term of 3 years. 8. A married couple has adopted a son under the provisions of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956. While the adopted son is alive, the couple is willing to adopt another son as the said adopted son was not medically fit to produce a child. The couple. So in this case, the couple cannot adopt another son because they already have an adopted son living. 9th. A 9-year-old boy bought petrol in a can from the defendant, a petrol dealer, by falsely stating that his mother needed it for her car. In fact, he used it to play with it and in doing so sustained burn injuries. The defendant is. So in this case, the defendant is liable in negligence for supplying petrol to so young a boy who was not expected to know the properties of petrol. 10th. A, B, C, D and E while carrying away property obtained by theft committed in a house fired shots in the air with a view to scare away the inmates from pursuing them. So they are actually guilty of dacoity. Question number 11. Who said that the public international law is a vanishing point of jurisprudence? So the correct option is option number 3, Holland. 12th. A supplies to the dependent wife and children of a lunatic B necessities suitable to the needs and conditions of life. A is. So he is actually entitled to reimbursement from B's property. 13. A agrees to buy from B a certain horse. It turns out that the horse was dead at the time of the bargain, though neither party was aware of the fact. So the agreement is obviously void. 14. An accused headmaster of a school threatens lady teacher to sign certain blank papers, and if she does not do so, he would defame her. The headmaster is guilty of, in this case, the headmaster is guilty of option number 3, criminal intimidation. 15. The essential test for the existence of international customer. So the correct option is, so the essential test for the existence of international customer, uniform state practice and opinion juris sive necessitatis. 16. Indian Copyright Act 1957 protects the literary work for following terms. So it actually provides life of author plus 60 years after his or her death. So this term of copyright is applicable in the case of literary work. 17. In his definition of law of tort, Winfield supports the principle given in the maxim ubi jus ibi remedium, where there is a right, there is a remedy. Option number 2. 18th. Emission trading mechanism is a trade-based mechanism provided in. So it is provided in option number 2, Kyoto Protocol 1997. 19th. Basic principles of award of compensation for breach of contract was laid down in. So it was laid down in Hadley versus Bexenden, also known as remoteness of damage case. 20. A lets to B for hire a horse for his riding. B uses a horse to drive the carriage. So the correct option is option number 2. The termination of bailment is at the option of A. Also, question number 21. A inserts his finger into the anus of a woman against her will. Under which one of the following sections of the Indian Penal Code 1860 is punishable? So the correct option is option number 3, Article 376. 22. For the offence of cheating, which one of the following states guilty mind is or are to be proved? The correct option is option number 1, fraudulently or dishonestly. 23. Who is called father of public international law? So the correct option is option number 1, Grotius. 24. A proposes by letter to sell a house to B at a certain price. B accepts the proposal of A by posting a letter to A. Select the correct option. So in this case, the correct option is option number 3. The communication of the acceptance is complete against B when the letter is received by A. 25. India acceded to the International Covenant of Civil Political Rights in the year of 1979, option number 3. 26. Under the Copyright Act 1957, copyright can be granted. So it can be granted in the subjects of literary, dramatic, musical and artistic work. 27. Which one of the following is not a defense to the strict liability rule in tort? So the correct option is option number 2, inevitable accident. 28. Which one of the following is not an element of tort of malicious prosecution? So the correct option is a termination of the criminal case in favor of the defendant. 29. Which one of the following is accepted as mens rea for constituting the offense of theft? So the mens rea shall be dishonestly. 30. Where the principal common but differentiated responsibility finds a place. So the principal finds its place in Paris Agreement 2015, option number 1. 31. When UN Human Rights Council, which is successor to the UN Commission of Human Rights, was established, so it was established in the year 2006. 32. In execution of a decree for the maintenance salary of a person can be attached to the extent of, so it can be attached to the extent of 2/3. 33. If international law were only a kind of morality, the framers of state papers concerning foreign policy would throw all their strength on moral argument. Who made this statement? So the correct option is option number 4, Frederick Pollock. 34. The maxim qui facit per fallem facit per se. It means he who acts through others is deemed in law as doing it himself. 35. The International Criminal Court was established by, so it was established by Rome Statute 1998. 36. As per the Copyright Act 1957, who is not included in the definition of performer? So the correct option is option number 3, cobbler. Of course, cobbler doesn't come under the definition of performer, as his nature of duty is totally different as it is given for performer. 37. A agrees to sell his house worth rupees 5 lakh for rupees 1000. A denies that his consent to the agreement was freely given. So the correct option is option number 3. The court should take into account the inadequacy of the consideration in considering whether or not A's consent was freely given. 38. The Supreme Court in the case of Novartis AG versus Union of India rejected the patent of which drug? So the correct option is option number 2, Gleevec. 39. A and B agree that A shall pay rupees 20,000 for which B shall deliver either rice or heroin. The contract is, so in this case the contract is void as to delivery of heroin and as to delivery of rice. 40. An invention under the patent in India can be protected for a term of option number 1, 20 years. 41. In which of the following case the Supreme Court of India held that if a Hindu husband converts into Islam and marries again, he will be guilty of bigamy? So this has been held in the case of Sarla Mudgal versus Union of India. 42. A dies leaving behind a son X and a married daughter Y. A suit filed by A can be continued by option number 4, X and Y both as legal representatives. 43. Which one of the following essentials for seeking claim of patent is wrong? So the correct option is option number 1, compulsory licensing. 44. The liability to pay compensation of an enterprise carrying on an inherently dangerous and hazardous activity on death of a worker due to leakage of lethal gas is based on the principle of So it is based on the principle of absolute liability which has been propounded by Justice Bhagwati in the case of MC Mehta versus Union of India. 45. Which body of the United Nations requested International Court of Justice to give an advisory opinion on the issue of legality of use or threat to use nuclear weapons on 15 December 1994? So the correct option is UN General Assembly. This is a case of advisory opinion on the issue of legality of use or threat to use nuclear weapons, and in this case, so the body of United Nations actually request International Court of Justice to give an advisory opinion. Which body of the United Nations? Sorry, UN generally actually requested ICJ to give an advisory opinion on this legality of use or threat to use nuclear weapons. This case has also been asked in the previous year examination of DULLM entrance test. 46. Which element is not required in the tort of defamation? So the correct option is option number 1, wrongful intention. 47. For fixing vicarious liability of master in tort for the wrongs committed by servant, master-servant relationship is determined on the basis of, so it is determined on the basis of control of master over servant's acts. 48. Under the Indian Contract Act 1872, a finder of good is subject to the same duties as a, answer is very simple. Option number 3, bailey. 49. Which one of the following is not an essential element of the defense of fair comment in tort of defamation? So the correct option is option number 1, the comment must be an assertion of fact. 50. A and B jointly owe ₹100 to C. A alone pays the whole amount to C and not knowing this fact also pays ₹100 to C. So in this case, the correct option is option number 1, C is bound to repay ₹100 to B. So this is the end of the session. I hope you all like this session. Kindly feel free to comment what do you think about this video and what do you expect more from Jurist Central to present to you. And I would also request all of you to kindly like, share and subscribe the channel for more related videos in future. So with this note, I am signing off. Have a great day.